I'm just thinking like, because it's fabric, I can make a skirt out of that. Oh, I love it. Now, the one thing I find about Halloween is that it's very easy to find costumes and costume pieces, but if you want an outfit that's just sort of generic, celebrating Halloween, that's a little bit trickier to find. So today I'm going to show you how to make two very easy skirts out of tea towels, the ones that we got from TK Maxx. So this is a really easy way to make a unique Halloween outfit that you'll get complimented on all night and you can wear for all of October as well. For this project, you will need your tea towel, a zipper, scissors, pins, and thread. First, we're just going to cut off any tags and iron our tea towel to make it nice. This will also create a crease at the halfway mark. Once you've done that, cut down the halfway mark and flip your pieces over. Fold down 1 centimeter from the top and iron it down on both sides. These will be your top hems. And then sew both of those hems up. Now lay your two pieces back to back. We're going to pin these two halves together, but don't forget to leave room for your zipper. Plan which side you'd like that on, and then pin where it won't be. And then we're just going to sew down where we've pinned. Finally, we reached the start of the really annoying part, trying it on again and again and adjusting as you go. Mine was 1 inch too big, so I'm marking a lazy 1/2 inch in white pencil, re-sewing the edges and cutting off the excess. And now go try it on again. That was a much better fit, so it's zipper time. Turn your skirt inside out once again. Now obviously the zipper is too long, so what we're going to do is cut it at the bottom to the length that we want. Then taking your needle and thread, sew a new stopper at the bottom of the zip. This will stop the zip from unzipping completely. Then fold over the edge of one side of the skirt where your zipper will go and pin it in place. That's to create a hem on the other side so it's nice and edged and lovely. Do the same with the other side. Zippers can be a little bit tricky and I don't have a zipper foot for my sewing machine. I'm going to just use a zigzag stitch and carefully sew the zipper in. If you've missed any bits or you find this bit a little bit difficult, you can just hand sew it in if that's easier for you. Now turn the skirt back inside out and we've got a zipper. Woo! Now I can already tell I will need to take in the other side just from the shape. The zipper side is curved and the other is still straight. So I'm just creating a little fold, pinning it, and then guess what? I'm going to try on the skirt again. I was right, so I'll sew up that dart I made. You can make any last minute adjustments you need here. Keep trying the piece on and taking things in and out as you go as you need. That's the trick to this project. And then our skirt is finally done. Alrighty, let's see how she looks. Now I am fully aware that all of us are in beautiful different shapes and sizes, so if you're after a larger size, you don't have a lot of time, or you don't have a zipper or anything like that, I am going to show you how to make no frills, no fuss skirt in 10 minutes. And then you can even wear it that evening. I am not even kidding. This is the easiest skirt in the entire world. It is basically 4 lines of sewing and 2 panels, and that is it. I ended up getting the TK Maxx apron, but it's really long on me, so I'm going to cut off the excess fabric and use that for my second skirt. You can use your tea towels again here or any other spooky fabric. The idea is that you want your front panel to go hip to hip. You can get 2 of the same tea towel and do those front and back if you like, or sew the tea towels together for more width. The back is the same premise, but it is going to be stretchy. So go raid your wardrobe right now, and you'll probably find one of those cheap lining fabrics inside of a skirt or a dress or a jacket, and I bet it's been annoying you whenever you wear it. So we're gonna cut out that lining completely and use it for our skirt. You can also just use stretch fabric, but if you're making this in a hurry, going through what you already have saves a lot of time and money. I'm going to line up my pieces and cut the stretch fabric to match the front panel. Then, just like we did on the first skirt, I'm going to fold down 1 centimeter at the top and pin it for our top hem and sew them away. Once that's done, lay your pieces back to back, pin them up the sides, and then sew the sides. I'm using a zigzag stitch because of the stretch fabric. And just like we did with the first skirt, try it on again and again and take it in where you need to. I needed to take mine in about 4 inches due to the stretch. I would recommend making a slight curve inwards towards the waistband. They're not going to be perfect, but they take no time at all. And if you're just wearing it once or twice, it's really worth the small effort. And there you have it. Literally just a few panels of fabric and you're ready to spook up the town. Don't they look amazing? So easy, so much fun, and you're going to look incredible. I love these and they look adorable. Thank you for joining me once again. I hope you got something out of today's episode. If you did, why not subscribe and like below? Leave me a comment. I love to hear from you all. If you end up making one of these skirts, please send me some pictures or videos of you in them. I would love to see what you've come up with. Thank you for joining me once again. I have been Lady Heart and you have been an audience. I'll see you next week.
You're all doomed. Doomed. Doomed.